Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today's quilt block is 12 inches and it's called Tulip Lady Fingers. I'm beginning with some 6-inch squares that are all pink, but there's a little bit of variety in my fabrics. I also have all these pretty greens, and I will be cutting some squares and making some half square triangles with the greens. I need for each block 4 2.5-inch squares and 4 2-inch squares. And I will also need some strips. Here I'm using muslin that are 3.5 inches wide, and I'll be cutting them 6 inches long. And I will also need some 2.5-inch squares out of this muslin and some 2-inch squares, and I'll leave that information below with the amounts for each quilt block. Here I'm cutting that 3.5-inch wide strip into 6-inch segments, and I'll need 4 of these for each quilt block. Here's everything laid out before I make my half square triangles. So I'm going to use those 2.5-inch squares, and I need 4 of each, the muslin and the green, and I'll make 8 half square triangles out of those 4 sets of squares for the completion of this quilt block. After putting a pencil line from corner to corner on this set of squares, I'll put a seam on both sides of the pencil line to make my half square triangles. After pressing my half square triangles open, I trimmed them all to 2 inches. Now I can lay those half square triangles out in the blank areas here on my cutting mat, and I will point the green triangles towards each other, and my quilt block is now ready to be sewn together. First, I joined those little pieces in the corners to make those 4 patches using the squares and half square triangles. And after I finished making all of the 4 patches, I began putting this quilt block together in rows, and then I put the rows together. I enjoyed collecting this variety of pinks and greens for this very easy quilt block. My friend is due with her baby in September, and I have plenty of time, but this quilt is going to come together really quickly with this simple quilt block. I'll be adding some sashing strips and pink and green squares to this quilt top, and I think it's going to come together really easily. I haven't quite decided about the outside border yet, but I'll continue working on quilt blocks and adding that sashing. It almost looks like little flowers there in the corners. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.